everybody, Tanya here. Welcome to the channel. Today I'm working on centerpieces. You can get your centerpieces started in October. Welcome to Vlogtober, where every day I will be sharing tips and tricks and things on how you get your house organized and ready for the holidays. October was always the perfect time for me to, deep clean the house, get my decor, touches of decor out, and and just start nestling in and getting things cozy and comfortable. Okay, so this is going to be a very simple centerpiece. I'm going to use my dough bowl. This is my biggest dough bowl. I got it from a Hobby Lobby when they had stuff, 90% off. I'm going to use this crock here. I love this thing. It came in a set of 3. It got them from Sam's Club years ago. I think when we first moved in, about 25 years ago. So I think I got another one somewhere. I don't know where. And then the little small milk one, creamer one is gone. So I have to use one of these. I love neutral colors, creams and whites. I got these 2 pumpkin candles from Dollar Tree, but they were the $5. But I realized I didn't have any fall or pumpkin candles. So I saw these. These are cute. I wanted glass and I wanted white. Right on time. Okay, and then we got these. I love novelty and seasonal salt and pepper shakers. And then I made a bouquet of neutral fall flowers. Okay, just a second here. Okay, they're building a neighborhood in the back, and I'm like, I saw somebody. Okay, so I just, took some sunflowers and pampas grass, mixed picks, and these little things, and just, made a bouquet. Okay, and then just take some wire or string and tie it together. Put it in and what I do, I don't want to cut this down, but you can, fill it full of, your plastic bags. Just fill it. Okay, to keep it stable. I'm going to put some more in here. You got your old plastic bags from shopping. Stick it in here. Then you're able to, let me see, I like the handle. Yeah, it's cute. I like mine's kind of wild. I always tell you guys that. I like. Okay, so this is my thriller. And then these are my fillers. And then you have some that are spillers. Okay. I like that. That's fine. Okay, then I'm going to just put my 2 candles on the side. Put the salt and pepper shakers in there. And that is an easy breezy centerpiece. You can put it on your breakfast table. You can put it like this on your island as your decor for your island. You can put any of these centerpieces on a coffee table, on your dining table. You can already have them done. So that's what I want to inspire you guys to don't wait till the last minute to do every little thing. This is stuff we can already have done. Put it away in a closet. Keep it out. It's fall. All right? All right. Easy breezy. Okay, family, thank you so much for tuning in. I appreciate you stopping by. And if you got some inspiration, got some ideas, I hope you will hit that like button. And if you like my vibe, hit subscribe and join the Tastemakers and hit that bell notification so you'll be notified the next time I upload any new content, okay? You won't have to search for me. All right, guys, thank you. Bye, Mom. See you in my next video.